I'm Doug.
And I'm Cathy.
And this is Maggie Mae. Join us as we follow the moon. Today, we are staying at North Park RV Campground in Dickinson, North Dakota. We're probably a half hour to an hour away from the Theodore Roosevelt National Park, plus everything that's around this whole area in Dickinson. Watch our other videos for that information. But we want to show you the park today, so come along and enjoy.
Thanks.
Now, we just pulled off of Interstate 94 at exit 61 and we're heading north. And we're going to come up to the second traffic light and we're going to turn right, ironically just behind this motorhome and car. While we're coming the few blocks over here to the park, we'll show you the map. The blue marks are what they put on it at the office to show us where we were at. The sites along the left are back ends, and every other site in the park is a pull through. If you need anything done to your RV, there is a glass and windshield shop on this street. There's a Chevy garage. There's a cabinet company that does cabinets for RVs. There's all kinds of things that would be good if you have any work that you need to have done on your RV. So the location itself is close by the interstate, and if you need anything, there's a lot of things there to make it convenient. We've pulled over into the turn lane, and right here you'll see the sign for the park. Now, when we booked this, we booked it as North Park RV Campground. But it actually also has MH Community, Mobile Home Community. I've never seen one quite set up like this because the mobile homes are the first couple of rows. They put privacy fence up and you feel like you're in a regular campground. You don't feel like you're camping in an RV park.
That's right.
It's really nice that way. The roads are all nice and wide, very easy turns. And the park entrance is right here on the left. Now they're going to park right there in front of the campground office. We're going to go around them, but this is what the campground office looks like, so you'll be able to spot it. As we come back through the park, I will let you know there's not a lot of amenities, although there's probably not a lot of time you're going to be using an outdoor swimming pool in North Dakota.
That's right.
We were here over Memorial Day weekend. It was anywhere from the upper 50s to the middle 70s during the day, anywhere from the upper 30s to the upper 40s at night.
It's been pretty chilly.
And it has been windy, so be prepared. This area, all the area up here, there's a lot of wind. There are a lot of people here just for the overnight because it is so close to Interstate 94 and it's close to Theodore Roosevelt National Park and everything around Dickinson. So there are some people that stay here longer. The sites there on your left are all 100-foot long pull-throughs. They can accommodate any size of rig, and the pull-throughs are all set up as buddies. So you're back to back with another rig, but they're long enough that they put the electrical service right in the middle, and they ask you each to pull the furthest up so where the back end of your coach is past that pole, so you're not actually side by side with the rig beside you. They've made the spaces long enough that way that you don't have people just right up against you that way.
Now that's a nice little grassy area there on the right.
Yeah, and that grassy area not only gives you some shade in through there, but they do have, as well as having a picnic table on a pad at every site, they also have a few of these little picnic tables and pergolas set up in that grassy area as you go down through there. We'll show you one here. You can see coming up on the right. And this park is mowed and taken care of. There were a few little potholes in the roads. They are packed gravel, but they were out filling them the whole time we were there. Now this building has the bathhouse in it. This is the men's. It has 2 showers, the sink, and 2 restroom stalls.
The bathrooms had a little bit of an old-fashioned feel, but they were clean.
Very. Now when you go in the laundry, they've got this nice little sink there, 2 washers, 2 dryers. But if you go on back through here, everything's on motion lights. So as you come back through here, you'll go into a kitchenette, which would be great if you're in tent camping.
That's right.
Microwave and everything. And there's 2 more washers and 2 more dryers back here. Really a nice laundry facility. Now you'll see these areas of the brown fence back here. I've never seen this done before either.
They're so nice.
This is for tent campers. It has electric out there, the street. They all have their picnic tables and they all have the little fences for privacy.
And if you want some dark sky photography, on the other line of that is a big open field and there's no lights. It's really nice and dark out there.
Now as you notice, there's like 2 rows of trees over on our left, and that's their dog walk area. It's not fenced, so it's not an off-leash area, but it is a really nice area that, especially in the summer when it does get a little bit warmer, it's all in the shade.
Yep.
Keep you and your dog comfortable.
That's right.
And it's all mowed real nice, and it's very, very long.
Yeah, it is.
Now you can see our rig there and see how far back in the space we are. At 30 foot, the back of our coach is at the halfway point in that space. So we had tons and tons of room. These were some of the shorter pull-throughs as opposed to those 100-foot long ones we showed you earlier. We're going to come around this way and show you a little bit about the site. But just before we get to our site, I want you to notice over on the left something that you hope you never need, but it's really nice to see in an RV park since this is in town. They have fire hydrants.
That is nice.
It's a little bit of peace of mind. So we actually parked behind our rig, and we'll show you the length of the space here in a moment. These are the hookups. Every site is 50 amp and 30 amp, water and sewer. We parked behind it. We have a little concrete walk the full length. This would actually be our neighbor's picnic table. Ours would be up at the front of the site. And we had all of this space in front of the rig. So Cathy, what did you think about our stay at North Park Campground in Dickinson, North Dakota?
This is really a nice campground. It's very comfortable, it's very quiet, and it's just serene.
It really is. It's a beautiful campground, not over the top with amenities, but it has everything that you need. The sites are nice and level. I believe every site is a pull-through, so it makes it easy in and easy out, and you're literally within probably a half a mile to 3/4 of a mile of Interstate 94, so it's very convenient.
Also, if you like the dark skies, this is a perfect campground. They do not overlight it, and as long as it's not raining and you have no clouds, you can go out. You can actually see the stars very nicely at night.
Absolutely. So with that, if you've enjoyed the video today, leave us a thumbs up. We certainly appreciate it. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, watch for the button up in this corner as our video goes off. Tap that button, you can ring the notification bell, and you'll know when every one of our videos come out.
And thank you for following us as we follow the moon.